Hey, this is Dave Espino again, and today I want to answer a question. How do I know I'm good enough to create an online course? And that's a great question. That's kind of a common thing that people deal with before they create their first online course and before they start getting some feedback from students. Now, here's the thing. Let me ask you this question. Have you ever shown anyone how to do something? Have you ever taught your kids how to tie their shoe, for example? Have you ever shown a teenager how to fix a flat tire or how to change out a tire? Have you ever shown anyone anything? Chances are good that you have, whether it's been on your job, whether it's been in parenting, or whether it's just been in the world in general, right? So if you've ever taught anyone how to do anything, then you have the skill of teaching. The question now becomes, how can you make a great course that people will be excited about and they'll be interested in? First of all, you've got to sell the course that is and not overpromise on your course. The ideal thing would be to underpromise and overdeliver, right? So you can do that by making sure you have a great outline for your course, making sure you cover all the different aspects of that topic, and by targeting an audience that's going to be grateful for your knowledge. Now, understand that you're not either a world's leading expert or nothing, right? There are different degrees of expertise. And so you can be an average knowledge person about a topic, and you can still teach people who are below average knowledge, right? Who are newbies or beginners. So you can still be the expert to these people, right? Likewise, as you get better and better at your business or whatever it is that you're teaching, then you can start to teach more and more advanced topics. But there's a range. Understand, it's not either I'm the world's leading expert on this or nothing. There's a range, and you can be in that range, and you can find your best target market that will benefit from your level of knowledge and expertise. So understand that it's not about whether you're good enough or you know enough. It's really about whether you can find that market of people who are below you in terms of knowledge and expertise and skill and train them to get to their next level. That's really all we're doing. And another thing I would recommend is take a look at some of the other courses that already exist on your topic. Do a little bit of research and find out what other courses are out there. And very soon you'll see that you could do better than some of these other people who are teaching online courses, right? You're going to think about it and you're going to go, oh, I could teach this that they're not teaching. Or, oh, I could teach this better by using this process or this example than what they're doing. So very, very soon you'll see and you'll start to gain that self-esteem and that confidence that yes, you can teach online courses. If you like the online course business and like the way it sounds, then be sure to hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell to be notified every time we come out with new video. I'm always creating new content about the online course business. This is my favorite business. I call it the world's most perfect business. And be sure to click the links below this video where I'm going to give you a variety of resources, including an online course fast start kit that's going to give you tips, tricks, and resources to get you off to the best start in your online course business.